Welcome to the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today, I am in St. Elizabeth, on place them call name Newtown in Black River, St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, we only heard about Newtown but never get to see it. And also, you have a hard trust in this area. I know a lot of person get some knowledge from the hard trust place, yeah. So big up on the teacher them in that place, and big up on yourself. Anyone there, big up on yourself. So you all can indicate where you're watching from. Leave it in the comment section if you know this area, if you ever heard about this area. Them call this area Newtown in Black River, St. Elizabeth. I'm very close to the Harchus campus, Southwest TVET institution, Black River campus, Black River St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, so on your left right here, this is the Black River VTC. Yeah, so this is where you can find it. You can apply, you can get a skill right here. Don't feel afraid to try something new. And always remember, skill is power. Yeah man, so go learn something in the Black River St. Elizabeth. Construction, plumbing, tiling, anything you want to learn. Check it out in the Black River area. When you're in the Newtown area, it's very close to Black River Town, roughly about 6-minute drive, depends on where you're coming from. So big up all the Newtown massive, then big up on yourself. If you now watch the video here, big up on yourself man, big up all of the St. Elizabeth people, them big up all the whole Jamaica people, them UK, London, Antigua, Bahamas, Bermuda, Switzerland. Big up Jashanti. Big up yourself, Jashanti. I know say I watch your video, you know, Jashanti, so big up yourself. Allen Crescent. Grown and place and them call him Allen Crescent, you know. On your left, you have the Comfort Taste Restaurant and Bar. I think this is a Xena Way. We are now on Xena Way. Yeah, in Newtown area, Black River, St. Elizabeth. Yeah, so you must heard about that way, Xena Way. Yeah man, so leave in the comment section and tell me what you think about this area. Yeah man, just leave it when we know what go on. Know a lot of people forget them areas. I know them overseas never get the chance to see them area like this. So Fire Reid take the chance and give them a drive through. So we're just coming off a Marigold part. Make the left turn, will take you back to the main road. Black River main road coming from Santa Cruz, Lacovia, will take you back to Black River town. Yeah man, see Papi riding bicycle there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good exercise for the body, that you know. Very, very good exercise for the body. We are tour Black River St. Elizabeth, you know. That's a tour of our beautiful, beautiful island, Jamaica. So them have one sign, so welcome to Lower Works. Yeah, man, Loa works. Big unit, yeah. I figure the big unit them way as a driver. I always look out for the big unit them. Some people don't know about that. Yeah, man. So we're back on the main road. We take us from Black River, Holland, Bamboo, Santa Cruz to Black River Town. Just giving a small drive through New Town area. So on this, you have a gas station. I'm taking you back in Black River Town now because we don't have an idea how close it be to Black River Town. On your right, you have the Church of God in Black River, St. Elizabeth. Yeah, very, very nice church. Place for worship. So on Easter Monday, they're gonna have a flower show. Easter Monday, Black River, St. Elizabeth. So no need to come at the flower show. Yeah, man. So that's gonna be on Easter Monday. So if you know you want some different types of flowers, you need to come at them place here and buy your flowers on Easter Monday. On your right, you have the Black River Primary School. So thank you guys for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. One love and one heart. And Thank you all for stopping by on the channel.